Hello students, welcome you all in Rishikul online classes. Students, in previous module you have learned about the First World War, and in this module you will learn about the Second World War. Students, the Second World War was many times more destructive than the First World War. It started on 1st September 1939 and lasted 6 years. Like the First World War, this was also fought between two blocs, the Allied powers and the Axis powers. Almost 70 million people lost their lives. Students, as you know that Germany was made to pay a very heavy fine for its role in the First World War. This almost ruined the German economy. The Germans were very angry. They began to support Adolf Hitler, the leader of Nazi party. Hitler promised to restore the glory of Germany. He began to strengthen the military to expand the German Empire. The rising military might of Germany alarmed the other European powers. Thus began the Second World War. The war was fought on land, air, and water. Poison gas was used on soldiers and civilians alike. There were air raids and bombs were dropped on cities. Many cities were razed to the ground. Warships and submarines were used by both sides to gain advantage at sea. Students, Hitler held the Jews responsible for Germany's misfortune. He had them sent to labor or concentration camp. The conditions in these camps were inhuman. The Jews were tortured. It is estimated that more than 6 million Jews died in these camps. This event is known as Holocaust. The war also spread to the Pacific region. Japan won major victories here. On 7 December 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, America's naval base in Hawaii. This led USA to join the war on the side of Allied power. Students, when did the war end? Germany had the upper hand in the war till mid 1942. After this, the Allied powers recovered and dealt a crushing defeat to Germany and Japan. By the beginning of 1945, Hitler knew that he could not win and he committed suicide in April. On 7 May 1945, Germany surrendered. Japan, however, continued to fight in the Pacific region. In August, the USA dropped atom bombs on two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This forced Japan to surrender, bringing the war to an end. Efforts to set up a peace organization had begun during the war itself. On 24th October 1945, the United Nations was formed. And students, in this module, you have learned that the Second World War was fought between 1939 to 1945, and it was fought between two groups, Allied powers and Axis powers, and the Axis powers were defeated. Thank you. Have a nice day.